Okay, we'll start with the arithmetic progression lesson based assessments questions of class 10 Karnataka SSLC board. First of all, we have MCQs, multiple choice question. See, the multiple choice questions hege andre these are scoring, and moreover they have to be completed as fast as possible, time saving. So per mark nodidre, this is the best possible option to get good marks. So we'll try to solve them as fast as possible. Okay, so the first one, what does it say? The arithmetic progression in the following. We have to identify which of the following is arithmetic progression. Hege madodu? The common difference has to be same. Illi bari ಒಂದು ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡು ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, as much as possible we have to see. We have to eliminate here. First question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಎ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ 1, here it is 2, so ಇದಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 to 7 ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 4, 7 to 10 is 3, so even this is not a common AP. 1 to 4 is 3, 4 to 5 is 5, so 4 to 9 is common difference 5, so even this is not a AP. So here it should have come. So 5 to 9 common difference is 4, 9 to 13 is 4, 13 to 17 is 4. So the correct answer is D. Next question. The common difference of the arithmetic progression. Common difference andre D is equal to A2 minus A1. So second term minus 9 minus of minus 7. So here students you have to be very careful. ಭಾಳ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, -7 -9 ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 7 9 2 ಅಂತ ಹರಿಬರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ -9 minus of -7 which becomes +7. ಸೊ -9 + 7 is -2. Be careful, it is -2 not +2. Okay, coming to the third question. The common difference of the AP 193 86 is, here again students what you do is 100 minus 93 7 ಅಂತ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. It is not correct. Second term minus first term, that is 93 minus 100 which is -7, or third term minus second term which is 86 minus 93, that is 86 minus 93 is -7. So the correct answer is A -7. Coming to the fourth one is a straight formula. They have asked formula. The formula to find the nth term, we know nth term an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So next fifth question. If the nth term of an arithmetic progression is 5n plus 3, so nth term igondu term kottidare formula 5n plus 3, then the third term ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್, n ಬದಲಿ 3 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ n ಬದಲಿ 3 ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 5 into 3 plus 3, 5 into 3 is 15 plus 3 is 18, so 18 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ B. Okay, same way nth term of an arithmetic progression an is equal to 3n minus 2, then the ninth term. So ninth term ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ a9 is equal to 3 into 9 minus 2, 9 3 is 27 minus 2 is 25, so the answer is 25, D answer. Seventh one, if the nth term of an arithmetic progression same an is equal to 24 minus 3n, then the second term ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ n ಬದಲಿ they want a2, so n ಬದಲಿ 2 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ it is 24 minus 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6, 24 minus 6 happens to be 24 minus 6 is 18, so the answer is A 18. Eighth question. If the nth term is an is equal to 2n minus 1, then the fourth term similar, n ಬದಲಿ 4 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, that is, so a4 is equal to 2 into 4 minus 1, so 4 2s are 8 minus 1 is 7, so the answer is B 7. Next, in an arithmetic progression, if an is equal to 3n plus 1, then an plus first term, so here n ಬದಲಿ n plus 1 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. They have given an is equal to 3n plus 4, they have asked for n plus 1, so n ಬದಲಿ n plus 1 ಹಾಕಿದರೆ plus 4 we get. I will solve this separately. What they have given an is equal to 3n plus 4, they have asked for n plus 1 ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ n ಬದಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, n plus 1 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3 into n plus 1 plus 4 is equal to bracket ತಗದ್ರೆ 3n plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 3n plus 7. So an plus 1 is equal to 3n plus 7. What is the answer here? 3n plus 7. C. Let's come to the 10th question. In an AP, if an is 2n plus 1, then the common difference ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. They have given an is equal to 2n plus 1 and they have asked d is equal to what? D in ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, d is a2 minus a1, correct? What is a2? a2 is 2 into n ಬದಲಿ 2 ಹಾಕೋದು, 2 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5. Similarly, a1 is what? a1 is 2 into 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is 3. So a1 minus a2 minus a1 is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So the answer here is common difference is 2, which is C. Let us come to the 11th one. If 6x and 14 are in AP, then the value of x. 6x and 14 are in AP, then the value of x ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ. Two ways of solving this. One is the common difference between 2 and 1 will be same as between 3 and 2. That is 14 minus x, common difference, so will be same as x minus 6. So I will take this x this side, I will bring this 6 this side and I will take the x this side. So it becomes minus 6 ಇರೋದು plus 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, minus 6 ಇರೋದು plus x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So plus x is 2x. 2x is equal to 20, x is equal to 10. This is one way. Another fast way of looking at it is, you all know that when we have three terms, a1, a2, a3 or any three consecutive terms in an AP, then the middle term will be the average of the succeeding term and the preceding term. Andre here a2 will be the average of a1 and a3. Similarly, a4 will be average of a5 and ಅದು ಹಿಂದಿಂದು, that is a3. Okay, so ಅದನ್ನು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So here we have three terms, 6x and 14. So the middle term x will be average of the next term and the previous term. So next term is 14, previous term is 6. So average of 14 and 6 is 10. So x will be 10. So this is the faster way of looking at it. Without writing, you can directly say, we can see, if you see at this 6 x 14 are in AP, then the value of x, it is average of 14 and 6. So 14 plus 6 is 20, 20 divided by 2 is 10. 12th one. In an AP, they have given A12, D4 and AN is 76. Then N is what they have asked. Okay, so what is the formula for AN? AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. They have given a is 12 and d is 4. A is 12 and d is 4 and an is 76. So we have to find n. So plus n minus 1 is equal to 76. So we have the formula, we have the equation 12 plus n minus 1 into 4 is equal to 76. 12 if it comes this side becomes minus, 76 minus 12 is 64. So n minus 1 into 4 is 64. So n minus 1 is 64 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4, 6 4s are 24. So n is equal to 1 if it comes this side, 16 plus 1 is equal to 17. N is 17 here. Okay, then the very similar question now, what they have given in the 13th question, they have given a is equal to minus 7 and d is equal to 5. They have asked us to find a12. Then a12 is what? a12 is equal to, we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Here n is 12. So minus 7 plus 12 minus 1 into 5 is equal to minus 7 plus 12 minus 1 is 11, 11 5s are 55. 55 minus 7. 55 7 ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ it becomes 48. So A12 is 48. So the answer is A, 48. Similarly, 14th question. If the first term of an arithmetic progression is A, so is M. So the first term A ಬದಲಿ M ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, common difference is 3. Then the 10th term. So what is 10th term? A10 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D. But what is the first term? First term is M. 10 minus 1 is 9. What is D? D is 3. So 9 3s are 27. So 10th term is M plus 27. M plus 27, which happens to be D. Answer. Okay. Now the 15th question. What does 15th question say? If three terms, that is 2p plus 1 is the first term, 13 and 5p minus 3. There are three consecutive terms of an AP. Then what is value of p? So they have given us 2p plus 1 is one term, 13 is another term, 5p minus 3 is the next term. Find the p. So three consecutive terms and the common difference, the difference between these two will be is equal to D. That is, we have here D is equal to 13 minus 2p plus 1, or that is also equal to 5p minus 3 minus 13. ನಾವು ಎರಡನೇ ಟರ್ಮಿಂದ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೂರನೇ ಟರ್ಮಿಂದ ಎರಡನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅವೆರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪಿ. ಸೊ 13 ಮೈನಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 2p minus 1 is equal to 5p minus 3 minus 13. So 13 minus 1 is 12 minus 2p is equal to 5p minus 16. ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 16 minus 16 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 12 plus 16 is equal to 5p plus 2p. So 6 plus 2, 28 is equal to 7p. p is equal to 28 by 7. 7 4s are 28. So p is equal to how much? 4 plus 4. 16th question. Similar one. If 4 x1 an x2 22 28 are in AP, then the value of x1 and x2 ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು? See what do we know? See what is x1? x1 is nothing but 4 plus d. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x1, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ, 4ಗೆ ಡಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ x1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಟೂ ಕನ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 22 ಮತ್ತು 28. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 28 minus 22, which is equal to 6. ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ 6 ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಫುಲ್ ಎ ಪಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಫುಲ್ ಎ ಪಿ ಏನು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮು 4, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮು 4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 10, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟರ್ಮು 10 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಈಸ್ 16, ಅದ್ರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮು 16 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಈಸ್ 22, ಅದ್ರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮು 22 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಈಸ್ 28. x1 and x2. So there is some mistake here. I think an should not come here. Question ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ see the 22 is the 1 2 3 fourth term. Fourth term is 22. ಮಿಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. So the answer is there was for x1 and x2. That will be two consecutive terms, 10 and 16. 10 and 16. Next, let's come to the 17th question. 17th question, what does it say? There are 20 terms in an arithmetic progression. So n is 20. If the first term is 2 and last term is 78, then the arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ? 20 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. So how do we find the common difference here? So 20 terms under what is the last term? Last term is 20th term. So we have the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Correct? First term ಏನಿದೆ? 2 ಇದೆ. n ಏನಿದೆ? 20 terms ಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 20th term, last term, 20th term will be 78. So that is A20 is 78. That means A20 78 is equal to first term is 2 plus 20 minus 1 19 into D. So 2 ikkade bandre minus agutte. So 76 is equal to 19 D. So D is equal to 76 by 19. 19 fours are 76, correct. 19 fours are 76. So common difference is we've got D as 4 and A is the first term, which is 2. So 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. So the answer is C, 2, 4, 10. Next, the nth term of the arithmetic progression is, they have given the AP. So here A is equal to first term 3 and common difference D is equal to 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. What is the formula for nth term? AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We have A is 3 plus D is 4. N minus 1 into 4 is equal to 3 plus bracket tagudre 4n minus 4 is equal to 4n minus 1. So AN will be 4n minus 1. AN will be 4n minus 1. Answer is A. Okay. Next, let us come to the 19th question. 19th question ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, the formula to find the sum of all terms of the AP with first term A and last term L. We know that formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. Direct formula ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So A. 20th question. If An, Sn and Sn minus 1 represent the nth term, sum of first 10 terms and sum of first n minus 1 terms, then correct relation. We know the formula An is equal to sum of n terms minus sum of n minus sum of n minus 1 terms. This is another formula which we have learnt. So they have asked for this. Which one barutta? Idu barutta? An will be Sn plus 1 minus Sn agutte. Idu alla. This will be An is equal to Sn minus. So this is correct. B is the answer. Okay. Now let us come to the 1 mark questions. I will add a page here. Okay. If the first term of an AP is A and the last term is An, then write the formula to find the sum of first n terms. So simple formula ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Sn is equal to, we know that n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Direct formula. 22nd question. In an AP, if B is the first term and D is the common difference, then write its nth term. Question number 22 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? In an AP, B is the first term, that is A is nothing but B and D is the common difference. Then write its nth term. Normal formula is An is equal to first term n minus 1 D, but they have given A as B and D is D. So here the nth term will be B plus n minus 1 into D. Next question, 23rd. If A plus T, A plus 2D till L is an arithmetic progression, then find the nth term of the progression from the last term. What they are saying, find the nth term of the progression from the last term. So last term is given. Find the nth term of the progression from the last term. See, An is A plus n minus 1 D, which is the regular formula. What is he trying to ask here? Let us see the answer. Solution is there. 23rd. He says An is L minus n minus 1 D. See, this is the last term is nothing but a plus n minus 1 d. Is given an is equal to last term minus n minus 1 d. So, okay, nth term of the progression. Okay, this is a nice one. Let me clarify this. Okay, I will just take the question outside. This is a good one. Okay, though we have mentioned it as easy, but you have to understand. I will take the question outside. Okay, it's a nice question. Okay, see, they have given a arithmetic progression a plus d, a plus 2d, so on till L. Okay, usually ನೀವು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ರೈಟಿಗೆ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು nth ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವನು, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೊನೆಯಿಂದ nth ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ದ nth ಟರ್ಮ್. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು flip the arithmetic progression. Now the arithmetic progression becomes, if we reverse the AP, then it becomes, the new AP will be L comma dot 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 a plus 2d a plus d comma a. Now we want the formula for nth term, right? See, normal formula for nth term is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. But here in the new AP, from the end we have taken, we have flipped the AP. So here we have a is equal to L and common difference is minus d. That is a plus d minus a plus 2d, which is equal to minus d. So the last nth term from last becomes an is equal to, the first term is L plus n minus 1 into common difference is minus d, or an is equal to L minus n minus 1 into d. This is the 22nd question. Now the 23rd question. What does it say? Sorry, the 23rd is what we did just now. 24th question. Now, if the sum of 3 consecutive terms of an AP is 21, find the second term. Okay, if the sum of 3 consecutive terms andre a plus d and a plus 2d, if the sum of these 3 is how much they have given? If the sum of 3 consecutive terms of an AP is 21, so these 3 are the terms and the sum is 21. So you can directly take a plus d plus a plus 2d is 21. So we get 3a plus 3d is equal to 21. So thrice of a plus d is 21 and a plus d is 21 by 3, which is equal to 7. Okay, so they have not asked the AP. See, here we see that the second term is nothing but a plus d. So second term is equal to a plus d is equal to 7. Let us now start with the 25th question. 25th question, what does it say? If the mth term of an arithmetic progression is n and the nth term is m, then find the pth term. Okay, so what he is saying, mth term, that is a to the power of, mth term am is equal to n, and nth term, that is an is equal to m. So what is the formula for am term is, that is an is equal to first term plus n minus 1 d. Therefore we have am is equal to a plus m minus 1 d, which is equal to n, and an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d, which is equal to m as per the question. This is for equation 1, this is equation 2. So equation 1 becomes a plus md minus d is equal to n. That is equation 1. Then equation 2 becomes a plus nd minus d is equal to m. Let us subtract 1 minus 2. So minus minus plus minus a cancels, d cancels, md minus nd is equal to n minus m. That is m minus n, d common tagadre is equal to n minus m. Therefore d is equal to n minus m by m minus n. This is nothing but you can take minus 1 common, minus of m minus n divided by m minus n. M minus n cancels, common difference is minus 1. If you substitute in any one of them, we get a plus m minus 1 d is equal to n. Therefore we get a plus m minus 1 d is minus 1 is equal to n, or a minus m plus 1 is equal to n. So a is equal to n plus m minus 1. This is the first term. Now what they are asking, what is the pth term? So pth term will be a plus p minus 1 into d. So what is d? D is n plus, what is a? A is n plus m minus 1 plus p minus 1 into d is minus 1. So we get n plus m minus 1, p into minus 1 is minus p, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, plus 1 plus 1 cancels. So the pth term will be n plus m minus p, and the common difference is minus 1. Okay, let us now come to the 26th question. What does 26th question say? In an AP, the sum of first 4 terms is 20. So given, let us write it off. The sum of first 4 terms, so S4 is equal to 20, and the sum of first 3 terms is 12. So S3 is 12. Find the fourth terms, that is AN. A4. We know the formula. We know, see, nth term is also denoted by sum of n terms minus sum of n minus 1 terms. So A4 is equal to S4 minus S3 is very simple, is equal to 20 minus 12. So fourth term is 8. Let us come to 27th question now. 27th question, what does it say? If the fourth term of an AP is 11, what he has given? Fourth term, that is A4. A4 is, fourth term of an AP is 11, and third term is 7, and third term is 7. Then what is the common difference? So they have given the fourth term and third term. So common difference is equal to third term and fourth term they have given. So A1, A2, A3, A4. So common difference is A4 minus A3 is equal to 11 minus 7 is equal to 3. 28th question. What does it say? If the third term of an arithmetic progression is 13, third term of an arithmetic progression is 13, and second term is 8, and second term is 8, then find the first term. Then find A is equal to what? Simple. We know AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Therefore A is given third term and second term. So we don't need to use the formula also. We have got first term A, A2, A3 is the AP. That is A1, comma a2 is given as 8 and a3 is given as 13. Therefore, common difference is equal to 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. Therefore, a is equal to a2 minus common difference, which is second term is 8 minus 5. So, first term is 3. So, the AP we get is 3, 8, 13, so on. 28 is over. Now, let us come to 29th question. Write the general term of an arithmetic progression. Simple. A, a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d, so on. Last term will be a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the general term. If 4x and 28 are in arithmetic progression, then find the value of x. Four x and 28. What is the number? Question number 30. 4x and 28. 4x and 28 are in AP. Find the value of x. As we had discussed earlier also, if 3 consecutive terms are given, then the middle term will be average of the first and third term. So, therefore, x is equal to 28 plus 4 by 2, which is equal to 32 by 2. 32 by 2 is 16. So, answer is 16. Another way of solving it, 4x and 20 are in arithmetic progression. What is the meaning of this? That means the difference between the first and second term is d, and second and third term is also d. Therefore, x minus 4, which is common difference, is equal to 28 minus x, which is the common difference. X ikkade bandre x plus x agutte, is equal to 4 akkade hodre 28 plus 4. So, 2x is equal to 32, x is equal to 16. Same way of solving it. 31st question now. If the nth term of an AP, an is given as an is equal to 7 minus 4n, then find the common difference. D kelidare. What is the formula? We know an is equal to a plus n minus 1d, which is given to be 7 minus 4n. Okay. So, we have to find d. So, we have got a plus n minus 1. D is given as 7 minus 4n. So, or a plus nd minus d is equal to 7 minus 4n. I think some assumption they must have done here. Let me see the answer. Okay, sorry. Let me take the question here. First question. See, if the nth term of an AP, is given by an is equal to 7 minus 4n, then find d. So, let us find the first term. Then in that case, first term ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, n is equal to 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore, a1, which is the first term, is equal to 7 minus 4 into 1 is equal to 3. Similarly, second term ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ then it will become n is equal to 2. Therefore, a2 is equal to 7 minus 4 into 2 is 8 is minus 1. So, the common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1, which is equal to minus 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 4. So, d is minus 4. This 32nd question. Similarly, if the nth term of an AP is given by an is equal to 4n plus 1, then find its first 3 terms. First 3 terms are a1, a2, a3. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ an is equal to 4n plus 1 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ therefore a1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, n ಬದಲಿ 1 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, is equal to 4 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 5. Similarly, a2 is equal to 4 into 2 plus 1, which is 9. And a3 is equal to 4 into 3 plus 1, 13 is equal to 4 is 12 plus 1, 13. So, the 3 terms are 5, 9, 13. This is the answer. Now, let us come to the 2 mark questions. The 33rd question. Find the 15th term of the arithmetic progression using formula. They want the 15th term. So, question number 33. 15th term formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a is equal to first term is 2 and d is equal to second term minus first term, that is 7 minus 2 is 5. They want find the 15th term. So, a15 is equal to a is 2 plus 15 minus 1 into d is 5 equals to 2 plus 14 into 5. 14 5s are 70 plus 2 is 72. So, 15th term is 72. Next, come to the question number 34. Find the number of terms of the arithmetic progression. So, ಎಷ್ಟು terms ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So, here the first term is given. First term a1 is equal to 100 and common difference d is second term minus first term, which is equal to minus 4. And the last term an is equal to 12. We don't know n is equal to what. So, we know the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to 12. a ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 100 plus n ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, d ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ minus 4 is equal to 12. So, 100 minus 4n, or we will keep it as it is, plus n minus 1 into minus 4 is 12 ಇದೆ. We will take this 100 this side. It becomes n minus 1 into minus 4 is equal to 12 minus 100. 12 minus 100 is minus 88. So, we have got n minus 1 is equal to minus 88 by minus 4. Minus minus cancels, 4 1s are 4, 22s are. So, n is equal to 22 plus 1 is equal to 23. So, there are 23 terms in the AP. There are, so you have to write here, this is a 3 mark question, so you have to have more writing here. There are 23 terms in the AP. Next, let us come to the next question, question number 35. Question number 35. What does question number 35 say? There are 10 terms in an AP. There are 10 terms in an AP. So, n is equal to 10. If the last term is 34, last term means there are 10 means 10th term. 10th term is 34 and common difference is 3. Then find the first term. Find the first term a1 or a ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So, what is formula for an? an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So, what do we know? We do not know a, we have to find that, plus n is 10 minus 1, common difference is 3 is equal to 34, which is the 10th term. So, a 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 3s are 27 is equal to 34. So, a is equal to 34 minus 27, which is equal to 7. So, the first term is 7. First term is 7. Next, question number 36. Find out which term of the arithmetic progression is 95 using formula. 95 ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಸೊ 95 ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಎನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಂತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 95. 95 ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ -1 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಈಸ್ 3 minus of -1. Be careful here as far as minus is concerned. So D is 2. We know nth term an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, or an ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 95 is equal to a is -1 plus n we do not know, we have to find that out, n minus 1, d is 2. So 95 is equal to -1 plus 2n. -1 into plus 2 is -2. So 95 is equal to -1 minus 2 is -3. -3 plus 2n. -3 if it comes this side it becomes plus. So 95 plus 3 is equal to 2n, or 2n is equal to 95 plus 3 is 98. n is equal to 98 plus divided by 2, n is 49. So 49th term is, so you have to write here 49th term of the AP is 95. Let us come to the 37th question. What does 37th question say? Find whether 77 is a term of the arithmetic progression. ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಎ ಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎ ಪಿ ಏನಿದೆ 1, 5, 9, 13, so and so. So here ಈ ಎ ಪಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎ is equal to 1 and common difference will be d is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. ನಾವು ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು, 77 ಈ ಅರಿಥ್ಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ನಿಂದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೌದೋ ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ 77 ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪಿ. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಎನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಎ ಎನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 77, or what is the formula for an? A plus n minus 1 d is 77. What is a? A is 1 plus n minus 1, d is 4 is equal to 77. 1 if it goes that side it becomes -1 is 76. n minus 1 or 4n minus 4 is equal to 76. 4n is equal to 76 plus 4 is equal to 80. n is equal to 80 by 4 is equal to 20. Here n is a whole number. Therefore our assumption that 77 is part of the AP is correct. Further, 77 is 20th term of the given AP. Let's come to question number 38. Find the 26th term of the AP. Question number, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Question number 38. Find the 26th term of AP. ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? A26 is what ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, or they have given n is equal to 26. What is A? First term is 5, and what is D? D is equal to second term minus first term, which is equal to 8 minus 5 equal to 3. So A26 is equal to A plus n minus 1 D is equal to, what is A? A is 5 plus 26 minus 1 into D is 3 is equal to 5 plus 25 into 3. 25 3 is 75 plus 5 is 80. So 26th term is 80. Let us come to 39th question. What does 39th question say? Find the 30th term of the AP using formula. Simple. They are asking A30. I will solve it faster because we have done the 30th question. Here A is equal to 2 and D is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, A30 is equal to 2 plus 30 minus 1 into 3 is equal to 2 plus 29 into 3. 29 into 3 is 30 into 3 is 90 minus 3 is 87. So 2 plus 87 is equal to 89. So A30 will be 89. Next, coming to question number 40. What does question number 40 ask? Find the sum of first 10 terms of the AP using formula. So they are asking sum of 10 terms. So S10 they are asking. So what is A? A is equal to 3 and what is D? D is 7 minus 3 which is equal to 4. What is the formula for Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. We want S10 which is equal to 10 by 2 into 2 into 3 plus n is 10, 10 minus 1 into common difference is 4 equals to, I will take out 10, 2 ones are 2, 5s are 5 into 3 2s are 6 plus 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 4s are 36, 6 plus 36 is 42. So 5 into 42, 5 2s are 10, 0 1 carry, 5 4s are 20 plus 1 21. So S10 is 210. Okay, let us come to question number 41. What they are saying here, water is heated up to 24 degrees centigrade. Heated up to 24 degree. When the heating of water is continued, the temperature of water is increasing at the rate of 4 degree per minute. ಅಂದರೆ ನೀರನ್ನ ಬಿಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 24 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ 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 ಅದರ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರು 1 ನಿಮಿಷಕ್ಕೆ 4 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ರೈಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೋಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಿಷ ಬೇಕು ನೀರು 100 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮುಟ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ? ಸೊ ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ನೀರು 24 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದಾಗಿ 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತದು? 4 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಅಂದರೆ 28 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಅದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4, ಸೊ 32. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 36. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಆದಮೇಲೆ 40. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಥರ 100 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮುಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದು. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಿಷ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನ್ ಎ ಪಿ. ದ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ ಎ ಪಿ. ದ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ ಎ ಪಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಾನೆ? ವಿತ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಎ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 24 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ D is equal to 28 minus 24 is equal to 4. Now we want to find which term of the AP is 100. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಸ್ 28. ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ n 2 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಇದು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಟರ್ಮು, ಎರಡನೇ ಟರ್ಮು, ಮೂರನೇ ಟರ್ಮು, ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ ಟರ್ಮು. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ 36. ಸೊ 36 ಮುಟ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಿಷ ಬೇಕು? 3 ನಿಮಿಷ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾವು 100ದು ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ? n minus 1. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ n ಹಿಯರ್. an is 100. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 100. ಸೊ a is what? 24 plus n minus 1 into d is 4 is equal to 100. 24 plus 4n minus 4 is equal to 100. 4n is equal to 24 minus 4 is 20 plus 20 plus 20 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ minus 20 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ n is equal to 80 by 4 is equal to 20. So we have 100 degree centigrade is the as 20th term. 20th term ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ we need 20 minus 1 is equal to 19 minutes to reach 100 degrees centigrade. Question number 42. Find the sum of first 10 terms of the AP 5, 8, 11 using formula. Simple. Question number 42. What does formula say? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is a here? A is the first term, which is 5, and d is equal to 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So we need S10. So S10 is equal to 10 divided by 5 into 2a is 2 into 5, sorry, 10 divided by 2. 2 into 5 plus what is n? N is 10. 10 minus 1 into d is 3 is equal to 2 1s are 2, 5s are 5 2s are 10 plus 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 10 is 37. 5 into 37, which is equal to 7 5s are 35, 5 3 carry, 5 3s are 15 plus 3 18. So S10 is equal to 185. Question number 43. Find the sum of first 20 positive integers using formula. Okay. What is the first positive integer? First 20 positive integers. First positive integer is 1. Next is 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. So here A will be, this is an AP. This is an AP with A is equal to 1 and common difference D is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, we want S20 is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d, or n is here 20 divided by 2 into 2a is 2 into 1 plus n is 20 minus 1 into d is 1, which is equal to 20 by 2 is 10 into 2 into 1 is 2 plus 19, which is 19 plus 2 is 21 into 10 is 210. So the sum of first 20 integers is 210. You have to see, these are all 3-mark questions. I am solving it very fast. You have to write this elaborately little bit. You have to write the answer, like for here you have to write it as, so the sum of the first 20 positive integers is 210. You have to write the formula clearly. Next, let us come to question number 44. Find which term of the arithmetic progression is 210. So they have given the AP 21, 42, 63 ಇದೆ ತರ 210 is which term ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So we have A is what? First term 21 and common difference is 42 minus 21, which is equal to 21. Now AN is 210, we have to find n is question mark. Okay, so the formula for AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So we have AN is 210 is equal to A is 21 plus we do not know n, D is also 21. See, to solve it fast, there is 210 on the left hand side and 21 is common for both the terms on the right side. So ಎಡಗಡೆಗೂ 210 ಇದೆ, ಬಲಗಡೆಗೆ 21 ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, 21ನ್ನು ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ here it becomes 1 plus n minus 1 is 210. 21 ones are 21 tens are. So 10 is equal to 1 plus n minus 1. 1 1 cancel agi n is equal to 10. So 210 is the 10th term. Let us come to question number 45. Question number 45. What does 45 say? Find the sum of first n terms of the AP using formula. So we have formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here What is the first term? A is equal to 1 and common difference D is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So substituting these in the formula, we get sum of first n terms, Sn is equal to n by 2 into A is 1 plus n minus 1 into D is 2, which is equal to n by 2 into 2 plus 2n minus 2. n 2 cancels is equal to n into 2n by 2. 2 is cancelling, so is equal to n square. So we have sum of first n terms is n square. Next question number 46. Find the sum of first n terms of the AP using formula. Same just like question number 45. Here the AP is different. So here A is equal to 2 and common difference D is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So we want Sn. Sn is equal to, we know, n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D, or rather n by 2 into 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into common difference is 2. So I will bring 2 outside common, n by 2 into ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತರ್ತೀನಿ, 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ n ಮೈನಸ್ 1 is equal to 2 cancel, n into n plus 1 or n square plus n is Sn. Question number 47. How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? Question number 47. How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? So first 2-digit number divisible by 3 is, first number ಯಾವುದು? First 2-digit number ಯಾವುದು? 10. Is it divisible by 3? No. Second 11. Is it divisible by 3? No. Third 12. So is 12 divisible by 3? Yes. So 12 is the first 2-digit number divisible by 3. Next 2-digit number ಯಾವುದು? Second 2-digit number divisible by 3 ಯಾವುದು? 13 ಹೌದಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ. 14 ಹೌದಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ. So it will be 15. So ಅದೇ ಥರ last 2-digit number divisible by 3 is last 2-digit number ಯಾವುದು? 99. Is 99 divisible by 3? Yes. So last number is 99. What they have asked, how many 2-digit numbers? So ಎಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ 2-digit numbers divisible by ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 12, 15, 18, so and so up to 99. ಎಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? n is being asked. A ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Yes. First term is 12. What is the common difference? D is equal to 15 minus 12 is 3. So what is the formula for an? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 d, which is equal to 99. A is 12 plus n minus 1 d is 3, which is equal to 99. Here I will take out 3 common. 3 common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 4 plus n minus 1 is equal to 99. 3 ones are 3, 33 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus n is 33. Sorry, 4 minus 1 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 plus n is 33. n is 33 minus 3 is equal to 30. So 30 numbers ಬರುತ್ತೆ, which are 30 numbers are divisible by 3. Now let's come to question number 48. Find the sum of natural numbers between 1 and 201 that are divisible by 5. So what are all the numbers? Let us write the numbers. So 1 ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ which is divisible by 5? It is first number is 5, second number is 10, third number is 15, so and so up to which is the last number. Is 201 divisible by 5? No. So the ಹಿಂದಿನ number is to 200. Is it divisible? Yes. So the last number becomes 200. You have got this AP. This is an AP with A is equal to 5, D is equal to 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, and AN is 200. We want N is, sorry, they are not asking for N, they want sum. Sn is how much? So what is the formula for Sn? We do not know N also here. Number, ಎಷ್ಟು number ಇದೆ ಅಂತನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. So Sn formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d, or we also have n by 2 into a plus l, where l is last term. But for both the formulas we need to find n, ಎಷ್ಟು number ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. So for that we use an is equal to 200, or an is what? A plus n minus 1 into d is 200. A is 5 plus n minus 1 into d is also 5 is equal to 200. I will take 5 common here. 1 plus n minus 1 is equal to 200. 1 cancel. 5 if it comes this side, it becomes denominator. N is equal to 200 by 5, which is equal to 40. So n we got it as 40. Now what is the sum? Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. A is the first term, a is the first term, and l is the last term. So we have Sn is equal to 40 divided by 2 into first term is 5 and last term is 200. 2 ones are 2, 20s are, is equal to 20 into 205. 0 birthday, 205 into 2 is 410. So Sn, sum of all the 5-digit numbers between 1 and 201 is 4100. Let us come to 49th question. What does 49th question ask for? If A, capital A and B are in AP, then prove that A is equal to A plus B by 2. What they are saying, question number 49. A and B are in AP. Prove capital A is equal to A plus B by 2. We had discussed this, that if three consecutive terms are given, then the middle term is the average of the first and the third term. But we will prove it here. Since they are in AP, the common difference between the terms is same. That is, D is equal to A2 minus A1, which is equal to A3 minus A2. So what is here A2? A2 is, therefore A minus A is equal to B minus capital A. Capital A ikade tandre A plus capital A is equal to, this goes this side, B plus A. So 2A is equal to A plus B. So A is equal to A plus B by 2. So hence proved. Let's come to question number 50. Find which is the first negative term of the AP using formula. AP they have given. Question number 50. What is the AP? 25, 20, 15. 25, 20, 15. We want to know which is the negative term here. For the first negative term, An is negative, that is An less than 0. Okay, here we have A is equal to 25 and D is 20 minus 25 is equal to minus 5. So what is An? A plus n minus 1 into D is less than 0. Okay, what is A? A is first term, which is 25, plus we do not know n minus 1 into D is minus 5 is less than 0. So 25 minus 5n plus 5 is less than 0. 25 plus 25 plus 5 is 30. So 30 minus 5n is less than 0, or 30 is less than 5n, just like mathematics, simple mathematics. So 5 divided by 30 by 5 is less than n. So 6 is less than n. So since n is same number, the sixth term will happen to be 0. So since we got n as a whole number, therefore the sixth term will be 0. Let's find out. A6 is a plus n minus 1 into d. A is what? 25 plus 6 minus 1 into 5. So a6 will be 0. So the seventh term will be first negative term.